G'day guys, welcome back. So in today's video we're going to do some trail maintenance out here in the backyard trails. So I've got my tools here and hope you enjoy the video. So I just cleaned up all the tracks with the blowers. Now we'll start working on some of the features. So this berm's looking a bit rough, but I'll clean it up and build it up and it'll be running much smoother. So I've just finished building the berm, but for some reason my time-lapse just didn't record, but this is the end product. So just before the berm, there's this jump here, and I just thought I'd clean up the landing a little bit while I was at it. So time lapse of that. So I was just looking at this line here. It comes up over that pump and then down into the step up. I was thinking I could actually have a line that goes over top of that berm into that step up, because that step up, the line starts from up there, comes through here, goes into that step up. But I'm thinking I could make a line over top of this berm which will lead you straight into that step up. So the roller's done. So now you've got a nice clean line into that step up there, but you can still get around it into this second one here. So that's pretty sick, I reckon. So I was just looking at this second step up, and I think the landing needs a bit of work. So I'm just gonna flick some shovels of dirt onto the landing and hopefully it looks a little bit better. So just finished this landing of the step up. I've got one more thing I want to do before I end the video. So I'm on a separate trail now, and I'm just going to fix up this berm here, because as I don't know if you can see, but kangaroos have been over it and just sort of destroyed it. So this is a separate line. So you go over that double there, around this small berm, into that wooden kicker there. But yeah, this berm needs a bit of love, as you can see. So this video is just more so maintenance on the tracks, because I haven't really been building out here much, just because it's been summer and it's just been too hot and dry. But if you like these kind of videos, just drop a comment and I'll keep doing them. So hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. See ya.